Sometimes I look around and find no answer. So I look up. I lift my eyes above the noise, beyond the fear, beyond the void. Tell me again where my help starts, when life gets heavy on my heart. You never sleep, you never miss. You watch me close in all of this. When I get lost inside my mind, your steady shadow is beside. By day, by night, through every fall, your faithful hand is over all. My help will come. It comes from you, maker of earth and heaven too. My help will come, I know it's true. When I am weak, you pull me through. God, my coming and my leaving. God, the wounds I still am feeling. And if tomorrow feels unclear, be the same God waiting here. Watch my steps now.
Watch my steps now.
Watch my soul.
Watch my soul.
Keep me steady.
Keep me steady.
Keep me whole. My help will come. It comes from you, maker of earth and heaven too. My help will come, I know it's true. When I am weak, you pull me through. Everything moves so fast, but you still know how to quiet a storm inside me. Lord, there are days my whole world shakes, like everything inside me breaks. But in the middle of all this noise, you still remain my safest voice. Though oceans roar and mountains bend, your peace does not depend on them. Teach me to breathe, teach me to rest. Teach my heart not to feel what's next. I do not need to understand. If I can still stay in your hands, be still in me. Lord, stay right here. Calm every way, quiet my fear. Be still in me, God of peace. When all things shout, let my soul breathe. You break the wars that rise within. You speak and faith begins again. So here I am with open hands, trusting you're quiet over my plans. Lower the noise now, raise up your truth. Make my heart steady and lead me to you. Be still in me. Lord, stay right here. Calm every way, quiet my fear. Be still in me, God of peace. When all things shout, let my soul breathe. Life moves quickly. I don't want to waste my breath on what won't last. Teach me, Lord, to count my days, to walk with wisdom through my ways. Keep me from chasing empty lies. Help me choose what's true and right. Let every morning start with grace. Let mercy meet me face to face. Show me how small I really am and how much I still need your hands. If you don't breathe upon my time, it all turns dust before my eyes. Teach me these days, teach me to live. Teach me what matters, what I should give. Teach me these days, Lord, make me wise. Keep me from wasting this borrowed life. Establish what my hands can do. If it is something built in you, and let my choices, big and small, carry your meaning through it all.
Make me honest,
make me honest,
make me light.
keep me focused on what survives. this borrowed life. Then a thirst this world can't touch, only you. Like a deer runs to the stream, my soul runs after what is real. There are many things that shine, but none of them can heal like you can. I have cried through crowded days, wondering if joy would find its way. Still somehow beneath the pain, my soul keeps calling out your name. Why so downcast, soul in me? Hope in God and dare believe. My soul is thirsty, thirsty for you. Can do what you do. My soul is thirsty. Lord, come near. Only your presence pulls me clear. I will remember in the night, you are still good, you are still light. And though my tears have filled this room, I know your song is coming soon. Thirst for heaven, thirst for peace, thirst for mercy. For you, nothing on earth can do what you do. My soul is thirsty. Lord, come near. Only your presence pulls me clear. If you are my light, then darkness doesn't get the final word. Fear comes knocking at my door, but it does not rule me anymore. You are my light, my saving grace, the steady fire I choose to face. Though trouble rises all around, my heart has found a higher ground. One thing I ask, one thing I seek, to stay where your presence speaks. Don't hide your face, don't let me go. Meet me here in the dark, I know. Be the light in my dark, Lord shine, Lord shine. Hold me steady when I lose my mind. Be the light in my dark, stay near, make this weak heart stronger here. I will wait though the answer's slow. I've learned your timing always knows, yeah. And even here before I see, I trust the goodness ahead of me. Be my shelter, be my flame, be the strength that still remains. Be the light in my dark, Lord shine, Lord shine. Hold me steady when I lose my mind. Be the light in my dark, stay near, make this weak heart